So you gotta book one for May.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, turn your post notifications. Today was a busy day at the shop. I woke up, I'll be honest, I set my alarm for 5:30 and I didn't get up. I had an appointment at 8 a.m. and I knew if I wanted to get to the gym, I have to go early. But I think I just slept in because I had this notion in my head that I have time to go after work. So I just thought, let me get some rest. So I slept until 7 and then got ready, went to cut up at the shop. You guys seen some of the footage from some of the clients I had today. But busy day at the shop, great day at the shop. It's been a good week. And I'm tired, I'm exhausted, my body's sore, but you know where we're at. We are back at the gym, gonna get a session in real quick, then get some food, take it home and cook. I have not ate all day. I had an energy drink and that's it. So we're working off of hopes and dreams right now and caffeine. So gonna get in the gym, get a workout in. I think I'm gonna do shoulders and then do some cardio. And then we're gonna Blackstone it up again today. The weather is beautiful outside. I think it's like, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I think it's in the 80s. But I'm wearing a hoodie because I like to sweat while I'm at the gym and it helps me sweat more. So that's what we're doing. We're here, shoulders, cardio. Let's get to it. Good Lord, I am beat. So did shoulder workouts today. I think I did 5 different ones, 4 sets of each workout. And I gotta say, my shoulders took a beating. One thing I noticed is that when I work out with the guys from the shop, we have more rest time because we're waiting on each other. But when you work out like just by yourself or two people, it's like less rest time and you're just, you know, really tearing up your muscles. So today, no partner, just myself. It was very hard to get here today, I'll be honest, because the end of the week, Saturday specifically, I'm drained. My body is drained from standing behind the chair all week and not even going to the gym. I was already tired, my back was hurting, but I told myself, like, I have to get there today. Like, I possibly might take a day off for Sunday, but today I made sure that I had to get there. And I'm glad I did because it was a good workout and time to go stuff my face now. I'm hungry. I'm going to go to the supermarket, the grocery store, whatever you guys call it, wherever you're at in the world. I'm going to go grab some burger patties. My wife is marinating chicken. And then I'm going to try to find these low carb tortillas. It's a different brand than what I've already tried. It's a more local brand here in Amarillo, Texas, where I live at. So I'm gonna go try those out. Yeah, and eat some dinner. Throw it on the Blackstone, cook it up, and then grub with my family. I will admit, yesterday I almost folded. I was this close to folding and getting Whataburger. Took my wife to the emergency room, and after that, I was like, should we get Whataburger? And it was a hard push to say no. but didn't cave. Just ate what, I had. Oh, I didn't even tell you guys. So, all right, so yesterday, I'll put it up here somewhere. I think I had like 1,400 and something calories. I can't remember off the top of my head, but I'll put right here. So I had, what did I have for breakfast? It's spacing me right now. Oh my gosh. Hold on. All right, so I had to go look real quick, and I looked at the log. So I had for breakfast spinach, 3 eggs, 2 slices of bacon, and strawberries. And then I didn't eat all day while I was at work. And then I got home and I grilled up the pork steak. I forgot about that. I grilled up the pork steak and had that with, I believe I had 2 tortillas, 2 of those low carb tortillas. So that was my dinner. And then we went to Walmart, and before I closed out the vlog on the last video, my wife had found a recipe for some keto, which is like low carb stuff, keto cookies, and they're to me they were pretty good. My wife didn't like them, my daughter didn't like them, but I liked them. So I think there's still some at the house. I don't know if I'm gonna have enough calories today for it, but I am gonna grub on some chicken and probably a burger because I am hungry. But let's get to that. You guys saw the calories and all that stuff, but I'm staying consistent, staying documenting. Let's go cook up some meat. We got some 3rd pound Angus beef patties, 4 of them. 1 part or 2 for my son Kai because he's picky and he won't eat the chicken that my wife marinated. And then we have corn tortillas. This says on the back 15 calories per tortilla and 1 carb per tortilla. So we shall see how that is. We have marinated chicken and throw it on the grill. Let's go. Like I said, 2 of my kids are gone. My oldest boy and my youngest daughter. So I got my youngest son here and my oldest daughter still. And they're getting along. So I'm having a great day. Then we got 4 1/3 pound patties. And then we also have chicken thighs, no skin. And it's marinated. So it's going to be delicious. Can't wait to get it in some tortillas and eat it up. There is the chicken. And there are the corn torts, and there is their rice, which I wish I could eat. Is it good?
It's awesome sauce.
Delicious?
Yeah.
What's good, y'all? So we got day 6 in the books. I appreciate you guys for tuning in this far. If you kept through the vlogs, if you are a subscriber or just some random person who's been keeping up with the journey, I appreciate you wholeheartedly. Thank you for tuning in. I know this is like kind of like just like I said, a documentation for myself, but for any of you who are actually tuning in and staying locked into these episodes, that's really dope, and I appreciate it. The next episode one of the next videos I want to do is going to be on merch. So right here I have this merch piece. It says faded with different MLB logos. So I created that piece of merch and I had sold it. I think I did 40 shirts total. And on the next video, or one of the videos I want to upload here pretty soon, it's not gonna have anything to do with this weight loss journey or anything like that. It's gonna be a whole separate video, basically talking about my process of going and creating merch. Now, what I'm wearing right now is a merch piece. This is a J Blends Veterans Day merch piece that I released a couple years ago. Well, like probably 4 years ago. Has the American flag on the side. Then on the right arm, it has all the branches of the military's insignias. So this was a Veterans Day piece that I did back then with the J Blends logo with the star circle. So that merch is a really cool thing to do if you have a lot of people who really rock with you, because people will wear your merch. So that's pretty cool. And speaking of merch, one of the next merch pieces that I wanted to do, I've been thinking about for a long time, is like a MMA fighter over shirt, or maybe like a warm up, like a soccer warm up over I don't know how to describe it. Anyways, one of the guys who does it is this long friend of mine. Met him in Central Texas when I was in high school. So we both went to Copper's Cove High School. We both went to a youth group together when I was a teenager. And the high school we went to is the high school that RG3 went to, Robert Griffin Jr. or Robert Griffin III, if you know who that is. He's a quarterback in the NFL. He's also a commentator now. But anyway, that's besides the point. my boy that I know, I haven't seen him since high school. He makes merch like the one I was just describing, and I've been meaning to get in contact with him to make a piece or to see if we can collaborate on something. And it's just been out of sight, out of mind. He's in the Air Force doing his thing and putting in that work, and I'm barbering, doing what I do. So we converse time to time here and there on social media, but it's been since high school since I've seen him. But he's in the Air Force. Like I said, I was prior Air Force, so kind of have that bond there too, as well as growing up together. But out of the blue today, and I haven't seen this guy since high school. So he messages me this morning, "Are you at work?" And I was like, "Yeah, bro." And then he's like, "What's the address?" So I sent him the address, and he tells me that he's gonna pull up. So I was like, "Man, this is pretty sick." Out of the blue like that. And then on top of it, I had a no call, no show at the time, around the time that he came and pulled up on me. So it kind of worked out. Everything worked out the way it needed to. So I was able to have time to converse with him, meet his wife, his daughter. And it was just cool. Time to chop it up. But it's amazing, how you can build relationships with people. This is totally off topic from any of the fitness journey, but it's amazing how you can meet people, and even though you haven't seen each other in so long, you still have that connection when you see each other, and it's like you never skipped a beat, kind of like you just pick up where you left off. And that's how I felt with him, and I thought that was a really cool thing. Part of it may be that we had we were in a youth group back in the day together. Part of it may be that we both grew up with military families, our military fathers, and part of it may be that I think he was cutting hair before too. I've seen him have designs in his head before he joined the Air Force and all that. And part of it may be the fact that we were both in the Air Force. But whatever it is, there's that connection there, there's that relationship, and I just thought it was a really cool thing to pick up on that. Total sidetrack. I got off topic, but just tying it all back to the merch. That's what one of the pieces I wanted to do next, and he was a part of that, and I got to see him today. So really cool. But if you guys are not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, turn your post notifications. If you guys are barbers and watching this and you need a discount code, something to save some money, if you want to save 20% off on T-Pop products, go to the pissedoffbarber.com or tpopusa.com. Use code JBlends to save yourself 20% off. He's got nothing but heat out right now. But I really appreciate everybody who's been locking in. One of the main subscribers that's commented on every video is my boy Sean. So shout out to Sean. If you're watching this, appreciate you tuning in every episode, commenting, engaging. That's what's up, bro. And I'm just proud to have made it this far with what I'm trying to accomplish. So I'm not going to falter, not going to cave in. It's been a change, but it's been a good change. So I'm excited for what's to come. Just trying to make healthier decisions, just trying to last longer in life. And yeah. But other than that, appreciate y'all once again. Stay tuned for the episode tomorrow. And today's day 6. We got 24 more episodes before we close out this series of the Shape Up. So thank y'all for tuning into the Shape Up. Till tomorrow, y'all have a good night, morning, evening, day, whatever it is. God bless.